Today is Tequila Sunrise. Tequila Sunrise consists of tequila, orange juice, and grenadine syrup. Our glass should be in the Collins glass. Okay, so tequila. So 1 jigger of tequila. And then just fill it with orange juice. And leave a little space on the top. And splash of grenadine. Now the trick here is we're going to create a like a sunrise. That's why it's called tequila sunrise. So to do that is you use the back of the bar spoon. Okay, and then dyan yung patutuluin yung grenadine. Cherry orange. Enjoy!